Hi everybody! Did you know that there's a way that you can sync your Schoology calendar with Google Calendar to show all important assignments and due dates that teachers have added to your classes? The first thing you need to do is go to the upper right of your Schoology screen and find your name. Click on the down arrow and select Settings. Under Account Settings, scroll down until you find where it says Share your Schoology calendar. If this is not already enabled, you'll want to click Enable and then scroll down again. This will give you an iCal link that looks like this. Go ahead and select this entire link and then either right-click or two-finger tap and select Copy to copy the link. Now you'll go back to your Google Calendar, and over here on the left side, right about in the middle where it says Other Calendars, you'll hit the plus. From the options given here, choose From URL. You can now paste that iCal link right there and then simply hit Add Calendar. That will add the Schoology calendar to your Google Calendar. Now for many of you, it may not show the title Schoology here. To rename it, simply hover over the name, select the three-dot snowman menu, and go to Settings. Right here is where you can change the name to Schoology or whatever you'd like to call it. Then simply go back. There's other calendar settings you can change here as well. But go ahead and go back there. You can change the color as well using the three-dot snowman menu, but I'm going to keep it this cocoa color here. If you don't immediately see Schoology items on your Google Calendar, give it a moment or refresh. Sometimes it takes a bit for it to sync up. But now you should see the upcoming due dates like you do in Schoology, but on your Google Calendar, and you can click and select it and get more information here and even get a link to the assignment in Schoology right there from your Google Calendar. One last note is that this syncing is only one direction. New items that you would add directly to your Google Calendar will not show up in Schoology. If you have any questions or problems, please talk to your computers instructor or contact the tech department.